Okay, good evening, everyone. Oh, let me shrink that dog. Let's see, how do I? There. Today we're going to look at Microsoft programs, and I have a question for you. Think about this. What office supplies do you use for math homework? Okay, what office supplies do you use to write a paper? And finally, what office supplies do you use to draw a picture? So think about that. The office supplies are very similar to the supplies you have on your computer, known as Microsoft Office. And let me bring that up and see if it comes as Microsoft Office. Oops. Sorry, they're not. These days they are not in a one folder. They're all over. So Microsoft Office is Word, PowerPoint, and Excel. Okay, and today we are going to identify icons, functions, and any file extensions related to basic Office software. That's Word, PowerPoint, and Excel. And default Windows programs, Microsoft Edge and Windows Defender. Okay, and in plain terms, we're going to recognize and name important computer programs and identify their function, what the computer programs helps you do, and recognize file extensions, letters that identify the program that created the file for common Microsoft programs. Okay, well, let's get started. One important program is Microsoft Word. Microsoft Word, this blue one, makes documents. A document can be a letter, an essay, or a resume. You can print a document on paper. For example, I want to make a document for a computer lab that I can print and post. I can write it on Word and print it. So let me open Word, click on blank document. Let me type a short schedule: Monday, Wednesday, Friday, 12 o'clock to 5 o'clock. Okay, Tuesday and Thursday. Same thing. I'm going to copy and paste it. 12 o'clock to 5 o'clock. Copy and then paste. I can even make it fancier. I won't go into too much detail by adding a table. Let's see. Like this. So you can do things like this. Oops. Put Monday. Put that there. Put this here. Drag this over here and drag this over here. And I can make the font bigger. Control all and let me make the font bigger. Let's make it 18. There we go. And then I can send it off to the printer. Okay, that was Microsoft Word. And I have a question. What are... Oh, I'm sorry, I almost forgot. Let me click Save. Save as. I'm going to save it on my desktop. Schedule 1. Okay, save. Now I can open it up later. Now, what are some other kinds of documents that I can write using Word? So think about that and then answer that question. Let me give you a minute. So once again, what are some other kinds of documents you could write using Word? Another important program is Microsoft PowerPoint. PowerPoint makes slideshows. Slideshow is a presentation you make with pictures and words. Let me get, here's an example. For example, I want to teach a lesson about elephants. I need a slideshow. I can show the class pictures and information to help them learn about elephants. And we will talk about that. Well, let me bring that up, and then after I run out of time, we will take that up on the next video. There's elephants. So I brought up elephants. Okay. And let me stop there, and we will continue in the next video.